In this video I will show you how to clean windows without leaving streaks. Windows serve as the eyes of our homes, offering a glimpse of the outside world while allowing natural light to flood our living spaces. However, nothing can ruin the beauty of a clear view like streaks on your windows. If you've ever wondered how to clean windows without leaving streaks, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art of streak-free window cleaning, providing you with tips, tricks, and expert advice to achieve crystal clear windows every time. Before you embark on your window cleaning journey, it's crucial to gather the right tools and materials. Here's a basic list to get you started. Microfiber cloths or squeegees. Window cleaning solution, store-bought or DIY. Distilled white vinegar. Dish soap. Bucket. Rubber gloves. Lint-free towels or newspapers. Choose the right weather. Believe it or not, the weather can play a significant role in the success of your window cleaning efforts. Ideally, choose a cloudy day or work in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is not beating directly on the windows. Direct sunlight can cause the cleaning solution to dry too quickly, leaving streaks behind. Pre-clean dust and debris. Before applying any cleaning solution, it's essential to pre-clean your windows to remove dust, cobwebs, and loose debris. Use a dry microfiber cloth or a soft brush to gently wipe away these particles. This initial step will prevent the formation of muddy streaks when you apply the cleaning solution. DIY window cleaning solution. While there are many commercial window cleaning solutions available, you can create an effective DIY solution using common household items. Mix equal parts distilled white vinegar and water, or combine water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Pour the solution into a spray bottle for easy application. Spray your chosen cleaning solution onto the window surface, ensuring even coverage. Work from top to bottom to allow the cleaning solution to drip down, carrying away dirt and grime. For optimal results, use a microfiber cloth or squeegee to wipe the solution away in a zigzag or S-pattern motion. This technique minimizes the risk of streaks and ensures thorough cleaning. Say no to paper towels. While it might be tempting to reach for paper towels for a quick clean, they can leave behind lint and streaks. Opt for lint-free towels or newspapers instead. These materials are highly effective at absorbing the cleaning solution without leaving residue on the glass. Don't forget about the window frames and sills during your cleaning process. Use a soft brush or cloth to remove dirt and cobwebs from these areas. Clean frames and sills contribute to an overall polished look and prevent transferred grime from marring your freshly cleaned windows. If you notice streaks or residue after the first cleaning, don't be discouraged. Rinse your windows with clean water and repeat the process. Sometimes, a second pass is necessary to achieve that perfect, streak-free shine. Achieving streak-free windows is an art that involves the right tools, techniques, and a bit of patience. Start by gathering the necessary materials, choose the right weather conditions, and pre-clean your windows to remove loose debris. Utilize a DIY cleaning solution or a commercial cleaner, and apply it with a zigzag or S-pattern motion using a microfiber cloth or squeegee. Say no to paper towels and focus on cleaning not just the glass but also the frames and sills. If needed, rinse and repeat the process for impeccable results. Remember, mastering the art of streak-free window cleaning takes practice, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. With these tips and a bit of dedication, you'll enjoy crystal clear windows that enhance the beauty of your home. Happy cleaning! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.